Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 installation error. The PC must support TPM 2.0 and then the PC must support secure boot. So today I'm going to take you through how to fix that error without any stress. During the installation process, that is the beginning of it, I was also able to capture it. Now I'm going to leave the file in my website, so you go and download. Today right here I'm going to show you how to fix that error without stress, and then you must make sure that you follow the steps. So you must do this before you make your bootable pen drive, or if you are going to install direct without the bootable pen drive, you must do this step. That is very important. Yo guys, so you may be wondering why I'm using Windows 11 to record. When I was doing, I didn't capture the beginning of it. So after that, I thought of, let me do a video to also help others. So I just do it. Right now it's Windows 11 that I used to record. But you must do this, Windows 10 if you want to, before you install the Windows 11. So here you must pay extra careful. Here. I've installed it already, so I'm just showing the folder that I kept my installation files, my Windows 11 files. If yours is ISO, you must extract the ISO file to get the source files. When you extract the ISO file, then you now head to the sources and paste the file that you are going to copy, and then after that you achieve the file as ISO file again before you now make your bootable pen drive. For those who want to make a bootable pen drive, then if you are going to install direct as the way the files are, just paste your file in the sources.